Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Lauren and I am so excited to have you here. On this channel, we love all things beauty and I love to play with makeup so much. I think it's a great way to try out different looks but without having anything too permanent. So that's why today I want to talk to you about a brand called Semink. This is a really cool brand that does jewelry inspired temporary tattoos. I think these tattoos are super fun and they're going to be perfect for the beach, for their pool, or even concerts or festivals. I think would be a really great place to use these for. So they have two different types of products on their website. The first one is called the Jaguar, I believe it's pronounced, which is a henna inspired type of tattoo. And the second one is the sticker tattoos, which is more of the temporary tattoos we're used to. So not only are these tattoos fun for a different special occasion, I feel like they're also a great way to maybe try out if you're thinking about a tattoo, a real one, but you're not quite sure you're ready to commit to it yet. So you test out a temporary one, see if you like the placement, see if you like the way it looks without committing to it just yet. Then of course these are also going to be a lot more affordable than a real tattoo is going to be for you. So Semink was kind enough to send me two different packets of their tattoos. So the first packet I chose here, you can see it's got some flowers on it, little birds. Really love this one here. You can see where I cut out here, it's actually the one I'm wearing now that I'm going to show you. They also have these wings here, which I think are really cool, and then some other different designs. But one of the ones I'm really excited about is these really cool metallic gold ones, and they've got a little more color to them here. I feel like this one would be really cool on like the center of your upper back, but I don't know if I'm tan enough for that right now, but I think that would be really pretty for concerts and festivals. So of course, these are totally simple to use. So I'm actually going to show you the application process and break it down for you. Okay, so for the first step, your skin must be completely clean and dry. And they do provide you with these little convenience alcohol pads so you can swipe the area clean. Then of course, you want to cut out the design of your choice and remove the transparent paper cover. Next, you're going to place the temporary tattoo face down onto your skin where you desire it. Next, you just need to soak a sponge with regular water. I was using here a washcloth. Wet the surface of the tattoo thoroughly and wait 20 to 30 seconds. Then you can gently lift the corner of the temporary tattoo to check if it is transferring. And if it has, go ahead and gently peel off the paper. Once it's completely transferred, you can remove the paper and voila, there's your temporary tattoo. So if you're careful with the tattoo not to scrub the area too much when you're showering, these can last for up to a few days. But when you are ready to remove it, they do recommend using either baby oil or rubbing alcohol to rub it off. So I want to give you a close-up of the tattoos that I chose here. So I'm really loving this cute little flower that I did on my wrist. So you can see it there. And I feel like it does kind of give like a real tattoo look. I think it came out really well. So if you're interested in picking up some of these temporary tattoos, all you have to do is go to semink.com and there you can find all of their wide variety of options for all the henna tattoos and also the sticker versions. And Semink was kind enough to give me a coupon code for my subscribers. So when you go to checkout, all you have to do is enter in the coupon code Lauren10 and you will save 10% on your order. I'm going to leave all the information in the description box down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also follow Semink on Instagram where you can see a wide variety of the tattoos they offer. But before you go, don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it and also hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video because we are always trying out new products here, doing reviews, testing out new things, and doing plenty of tutorials. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye guys.